50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio. If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve their nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog is created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
As a homeowner, adding an ADU is one of the smartest investments you can make. Hi, I'm Kamal the Builder from SFB ADU. We specialize in ADU design and construction. From permits to construction, we are your one-stop shop. Visit sfbadu.com or call us at 408-461-9956. Right now, we are offering a 20% discount off your ADU design for the first 10 callers. Call 408-461-9956. That's 408-461-9956 for a 20% discount.
From the Fox News Podcasts Network.
What are the most important issues facing Americans today? Every Tuesday, join me, Brett Baer, Chief Political Anchor and Executive Editor of Special Report, and my rotating all-star panel of experts as we discuss the policies, practices, and possible solutions to the biggest and most important issues. You can hear new episodes every Tuesday. Subscribe now at foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you download podcasts.
Repair, especially hitting minority kids, especially hitting poor children, damaging families. She's the last person alive who should be asking for forgiveness until she repents. How can she repent? She should ask for forgiveness by actually saying, this is what we did wrong, this is what I will never do again, and in fact, I think resigning. That's her way of doing it. That should be how she does it.
And that's my point exactly, is you don't hear any of that. There's no apologies. There's no like, you know what, this is a live and learn, and we screwed this up, and next time around we're going to get it better, and we're going to work and work and work until they get it better. But they say, no, we didn't know. We didn't know. Well, they didn't know. They didn't listen. That's the problem. They were told that, you know, keeping people inside when they should be outside was vital. They were told that these kids wearing masks and that was kind of falling down was not helping. They were told again and again the kids need to be back in school, and they villainized anybody who dissented.
Exactly, and that's the problem, is they wouldn't let anyone speak out. And the moment parents started attending school board meetings, something that most parents had never done in their lives, and now you had hundreds at a time attending school board meetings in Zoom or on person, they would silence them. They started giving them less and less time to speak, giving them at first 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, eventually 30 seconds or nothing at all, saying, no, you're talking too much, and ignoring them, and in fact doing the exact opposite in the face of overwhelming evidence and even just obvious common sense that this is the wrong thing to do. And so again, if they want to truly get some amnesty, they need to admit that they were wrong and promise never to do this again, and the people really responsible should step down.
And I want to go on to something very important to you, because this is a big deal. Tell us about the breakthrough treating myopia in kids.
Yeah, so I'm glad you asked, Trey. So I'm an ophthalmologist, and one thing that I focused a lot of my life on is myopia and nearsightedness.
Right.
You think that this is just something that we need glasses for, but myopia is a growing epidemic among children. In fact, by 2050, half of the world's population is expected to be myopic, and nearsightedness actually leads to many problems like cataracts, retinal disease, glaucoma over time. Up until recently, and even now, there's still nothing pharmacologic, like a drug, that can treat myopia, but there's a company called Biluma, one that I've worked with, that happens now to have released a very large phase 3 clinical trial of nearly 600 kids in the United States and Europe, the first fully placebo-controlled phase 3 trial of its kind, showing that there is an eye drop taken once a night that is very safe and very effective in actually slowing the progression of myopia. So basically, not halting in its tracks, but slowing it down significantly in a large number of kids. And I think if this gets approved, it'll be the first of its kind and a game changer potentially for the management of this.
As somebody who's had eye problems for a long time, I mean, this is really a big deal, and I'm very happy this has kind of come to fruition for you. Dr. Matty, great to see you. Stand by if you will for the nightcap. Well, daylight saving time ends this weekend, and our nightcap crew debates the tradition that, frankly, many people find pretty annoying. But first, your Thursday forecast. Here's Fox weather meteorologist Nick Koser.
I'm meteorologist Nick Koser. Here's your Fox weather Thursday forecast. Well, the snow is going to continue to fall here across the Intermountain West. It's going to be a big snow day, I think, for Colorado. Several feet possible on some of the highest peaks. Meanwhile, little bit of severe weather there in the southern plains, Texas, Oklahoma. Heads up, got to stay weather aware. There's the potential for some big storms and maybe even some tornadoes. And you can download the Fox Weather app or stream Fox Weather from your favorite connected TV device. I'll see you there.
Fox News until NATO, warning that democracy itself is in peril. President Biden called on Americans Wednesday night to vote against violence and election disruptors in the upcoming midterms. He spoke at Washington, D.C.'s Union Station.
It's within our power, each and every one of us, to preserve our democracy. And I believe we will.
But Republican Senator Lindsey Graham told Fox the president didn't speak about issues Americans care about.
Not one word about how I'm going to secure a broken border, how I'm going to lower gas prices as president.
Recent polls say the GOP is slightly ahead of Democrats in next week's congressional races. No winner in Wednesday night's Powerball drawing. That means $1.5 billion will be up for grab in next Saturday's drawing. America's listening to Fox News.
It all started with the brutal murder of a young married couple. Now, more than 40 years after the couple was found, investigators and forensic genealogists are cracking the case wide open to uncover a stunning second mystery.
Where's the baby? I said, well, wait, he had a baby?
What happened to their baby daughter, Holly?
Where's Holly Marie? Where's Holly?
What about Holly? Get early exclusive access and ad-free on Fox News Podcasts Plus. Visit foxnewspodcasts.com to get started today.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Blake Masters.
Streaming now exclusively on Fox Nation in all new Tucker Carlson originals.
This may be the most significant midterm elections of our lifetime. For months, our team was able to embed with the Masters campaign.
Go inside the story of the Arizona candidate and his fight for the Senate seat.
I'm trying to show people what a new breed of politician looks like. I know it's going to be hard, but damn it, this is important.
Tucker Carlson originals, the candidate Blake Masters. Streaming now exclusively on Fox Nation. Sign up at foxnation.com.
Dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. It would actually be food. It would be made with real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve the nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. They can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw all this.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5-year pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data for Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
Fox Across America with Jim Thaler.
Veteran looks halfway together when you're watching Biden try to find his way off the stage. Like, the dude needs a GPS. How many times can you ask the presidential band to play Hail to the Chief while this guy struggles to find an exit? And can someone just grab him and be like, dude, let's go? Okay, normally if you sign up to be in the presidential band, it is like a sweet gig. You play 1 song a day.
Weekdays noon to 3 p.m. Eastern. Listen live or get the podcast now at foxacrossamerica.com.
Talk to Bambi.
One of our employees just reported sexual harassment.
Talk to Bambi. HR managers can cost $80,000 a year, but with Bambi, you get access to your own dedicated HR manager starting at just $99 per month. Policies, onboarding, terminations, training, feedback, coaching, and more. Talk to Bambi by phone, email, and real-time chat. Visit Bambi.com and type Odyssey under streaming audio when you sign up. Spelled BAMBEE.com. Odyssey streaming.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
You can prepare for success, even during a recession. Introducing Bambi, dedicated HR support starting at just $99 per month. Your Bambi HR manager is available by phone, email, and real-time chat, so onboarding, terminations, HR compliance, and more run smoothly. Schedule your free demo now and get our